After the US Supreme Court deemed President Trump's sweeping global tariff as illegal, US Customs and Border Protection, also called the CBP, will stop the collection of tariffs effective from, on or after 12 a.m. Eastern Time on February 24th. The tariffs were imposed after Trump invoked the International Emergency Economic Powers Pact. Also, the newly imposed 15% global tariffs under Section 122 also comes into effect from February 24th. But the CBP notification issued only mentions imposition of 10% tariffs under Section 122. The US Supreme Court's ruling that came on February 20th does not specify how the US would refund an estimated $175 billion to importers. The Trump administration criticized the ruling and immediately imposed a new global tariff of 10% by invoking Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. The tariff was later increased to 15% and can remain in effect till 150 days and will later require approval from the Congress if extended. Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974 allows the US President to impose tariffs of up to 15% on a country to address a large and serious United States balance of payments deficit. This provision has not been imposed before. Meanwhile, a group of 22 Senate Democrats have introduced a legislation requiring full refunds of any tariffs deemed illegal to be processed within 180 days. After the SC ruling, shipping conglomerate FedEx became the first company to sue the Trump administration for a full refund of duties paid. Trump, in a post on Truth Social, warned that if any country wanted to play games due to the ruling, they would face much higher tariffs. For India, the ruling is viewed as particularly positive, with about 55% of Indian exports now facing just 15% from much higher prior levels. The meeting between Indian and US negotiators has, however, been postponed following the ruling. According to the court ruling, the Department of Justice said that the refund would be initiated if the tariffs were deemed unlawful and the CBP would process it through automated commercial environment system. But no actual time for the refund has been slated and experts say it could be delayed.